People are going, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I store yam fresh for up to a month. Alright, so you can do the same thing for sweet potatoes, Irish potato, dasheen, cocoa, basically any type of ground provisions. Alright, so this is the Jamaican Negro Yam. So first thing I do when I get home is to wash the yam, wash off the dirt off of the yam, and then I pat it dry with a piece of paper towel, and then I wrapped it into a piece of newspaper, Jamaican style, and then I put it in the cooler section of the fridge in the drawer that is reserved for ground provisions. Yeah man, it kept fresh for up to a month. Trust me, this is what I do all the time. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching.